If you want to store massive amounts of rarely accessed data without paying much, do this. I know most people buy 3.5-inch hard drives and NAS solutions for backup. It's an endless purchase. You never delete the files, you buy. But I found a storage called Amazon Deep Glacier, and it's the exact opposite of cloud. It's buried, and it's for archiving and backing up cold data. Because you cannot download the files right away, you need to create a restore request. It will take up to 12 hours, then you will be able to download the files. So I uploaded an 8.5 gigabyte file just to try, waited a month, and the fee was just 1 cent. Then I initiated a download request, which will be available for 3 days. This restoring and keeping it online costs more. In the end, the whole thing costs 24 cents. By the way, AWS is for web developers mostly, but there's a visual interface called Amazon S3, and you can basically upload a request and download visually. No coding required, no worries. But you need to create a bucket which holds your data in it. A little note here, the Deep Glacier has 180-day storage limit, minimum limit. So if you delete it before, you will pay this 180-day fee. They really don't want to touch the files too often. And there's a huge debate about their recording media. Because the files are not online, do they use Blu-ray discs? Maybe, but the general assumption is they probably use LTO tapes, cheaper storage, and it's really cheap. And as I said, keeping it in tape costs $0.0018 per gigabyte per month, so 1 terabyte is just $1.84 per month. Beautiful. The USA is almost half price. Asia is a little bit more expensive. I created my bucket in the closest place, but USA was available. I could choose it and pay less. You could try it, I guess. And if you need to download the files, you can always bill it to your customers. If they come to you asking for a revision after 6 months, 1 year, let's say, you will still have the files. They will be happy, you'll be happy. I think this is brilliant for example, wedding videographers, photographers. They can keep the files. However, I'm not sure if Amazon backs up these files or if there's only one copy. If you know more about these, please let me know. But as I see, these tapes' lifespan is 20 to 30 years, while hard disk may fail in 5 to 10 years. Of course, don't use it as your only backup option, but I just wanted to share it with you. It's a very cheap solution. See you later. Take care, back up your files, and bye.